it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix verification code is not received. So let's get started. Well, if a verification code has been sent to you but it hasn't been received, here's the first thing we're going to do to fix this problem. First, we're going to swipe from the right corner of your screen and make sure that the do not disturb mode is not toggled on. So if it's toggled on, just toggle it off, because when it's toggled on, notification will be silenced, including messages notification. So make sure to toggle it off. Here, the second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go in your settings. Then we're gonna tap on SIM card and mobile networks, and make sure that the SIM card is not toggled off. So make sure to turn it on. So here mine is turned off. So make sure to turn it on so you can receive calls, messages, and so on and so forth. And this is it. This is how to fix verification codes not received. Thanks for watching. See ya.